Okay, so Yasaba, quite unfortunate. Come baby to say, Brema is Sikumodo being Brakwa. Now, medicine cratch your honor now. We call it fear now. Why soon, sana? Always our butcher, you know about that from every but assembly new one because I'm here generator, residence, you know. A Ghana Japan, the ultimate man in the house, and no assembly approve, but you show the need. Oh, as medicine crash, I was some butcher, you need generator. And yet, Bema is Sikumodo being Brakwa, and yet, Muslim boy, Juma Kama. The one pay DC, one pay generator, and I was saying 1,002 and 1,005. Who pay Jack to my crack heavy. Now, how they call him, DC residence. Yes, Rakaba. Yeah, so IGP, they say you or maybe stand by a call offer, but try to. Oh, headquarters, the office is general office. That's very, very important because IGP office can you assembly near approve Puma approve and I never call. Oh, yeah, what's it saying? Oh, Machia Ghana. Na yene dase yesi yakonda ho na yenyere ye ho enkoye ni mefise ehwania January to February suni ba ye dia ho sunsanso no kire se ye betima ye ama kwanhia eso ate asende ye hu ikura ama Ghana ebe kra behwe se ne yete aya ne ye bobo Norway, Finland, Denmark say they are doing best road practices. I'm a consiaba phone. Now, yes, also be Cabaret or a biblium, a for how we are see. If you say, you heard last year, January to February 2014, near to January, February 2015. You hear what is a consia as what it is, ama owo pra ene japade se eswa tete hwi edi ntina mekasa ye hwe January to February ne ye nkuta hu se ya de beko Eastern Yesu amani hu me say within as in last year. Yes, within 2 weeks encheni asa edru ho no ye hwe na last year na over 2,432 akwanhia ene na esi this year ankopon adom ati abafom enam 1,900 ama japade a asaya eye cars asa 31st December 2014 na kai wogana ha nyina no eye 1,880,192 no emu 3,935 as at last year na nya akwanhia within the same period. This year swati by almost 1,000, about 2,900. Yasha, in Nipa Kabubon, and I could each among wood. Eye, Mako, 106. This year, last year by now, nay 377. In tea. So, reduction. You heard, Mamma can reduction in you. You heard last year, nay 377. This year, a swati about 254. But I will get the difference. So the difference is also huge. 377 last year. Cars are dorsum. And Nipa a poor about this year. No, my question, no brass. A brass, I'm a Nipa, young cars any penguin, but at our feet. Ama, a woman pre-prano. As at last year, near 2,380. Prior to this time, yeah, you raised them. That's what about 1,540. From 2,389. At about 1,545. Whoa. And say, yeah, this Suliban, any Uncle Khan, any city, any payo, can't so here, ye ba in specifics, ye di kai a pumhe and she share so. Ye de car ma, and the powers one kaka, one sense of their licenses, and they can. And they say, in so to ye de reflect at the tire car na weekly, monthly, quarterly maintenance yeah na senior nanon buy cars ni bi how e bi da so ba omo fake ya omo nko roadway new roadway electronica yeah no e bi no fa kwachi kwan ko goro ho koye ne yetete air force one emo koye the proper one because we do zo na no we be we nyina flat na na Kesee bebre wo your office na e bebre air force bebre na bi so di ompim e di nhihye so e di mraso no ni nyina kabom
ama akwanhyia so ate ama wuo amane ene ajapade seye no eso ate nti for us it looks like send your chance here maybe I go so for the first time last year when she has to buy the whole year compare with many years maybe in Ghana that now yedi say suni bam pepe attitude na wura this year we hope say in 2 weeks time see him say go Friday yeni
Friday Saturday
me see now we nu say na go Friday atoyen meboa adu mamnye so say na why din sa go Friday na du ka ho asem so wa boss wa trega na for say oh go Friday edu anu no so what I say na go Friday do say ni me Canada say oh ya na
ani je ni o
kan ya na ese akoyia
convention
so last year so te
o hadi e kosi dia besa atia kokra
entina the uboni o say koso na enima bi so the police ni so a em say enche obeti ho but meti ho kakra ye last year say na ka DV pa ye nya aka
DV no
die kokwa use no
Easter DV
wo ye ni so papa de toso ene kwa de ya hyase ye behwe okwan no so pa so your government appointee say bia we a minister say bia we a journalist e bia say my elite me cover program e bia me belong to ministry department ni agency metropolitan municipal or district assembly say this assembly go say egu assembly bia acting for na ye behwe ana we yatimamuni biara na onye untwi military car na enye police car na enye fire service any government recognized security agency bi ana fire na wa ba ko fa o car na wonunu ho no akofa beacon light bi atetare ni mu toto bi na wo flash ba na wo so hazard no ye behwe Inspector General of Police has given us the necessary push and has directed all commanders to look out, resist and arrest Obibiara because Obibiara ni Ghana ha apart from vehicle used by president for his official duties, police service vehicles, military vehicles, any fire, any ambulance service vehicles. So any vehicles registered for bullion purposes by Bank of Ghana by DVLA. So obako fa wa car. Say bia me ya farm adwuma mu Ghana ha. Say me ya dey adwuma. Now I say bia my elite. Now you later for obi home. That means that you are not serious to work for Ghana. Now I would open. Now I got to stand maybe bobo car on a positive front. Now if you say we don't have any authority. And you know all these things are going to be part of our strategy. And we will look out and arrest and proceed to court. In fact, we know Easter crowd in the course of the week, and we're going to call the media along. The principal sitting in the car, because you're not a driver for Lenya. Driver not a front no. A man who coin. So when you're say on for hazard in 24x4. Now on other Yagubs and Ozibian and Minister team, government appointee team, MPB team. Now Olivia Obi crowd, the time back Ghana, we have to stop. So Ghana, we have specific stickers. Ghana cars, the home. If the car belongs to you, it doesn't matter where you work. We don't want to see those stickers belonging to customs, MP. What is that sticker? For to do what? Embrace stickers. I was here the car and the right hand corner for police inspections. Ubi ayen exempt wo. So when people talk car, you sticker name what the roadworthy sticker. Never born. And now under section 125, compulsory in compliance with insurance, motor insurance. Now the sticker no abo for police inspections. MP ni wu. What would you yini obi yini diato? And what the sticker? MP sticker. To do what? To show to who? We don't want to see that. We want to see whether your vehicle has complied with vehicle maintenance standards. I mean, the torso insurance. What is so now? What is sticker number? Is it valid? Have you renewed it? Is it authentic? Roadway, we want to see it. Into all vehicles. Make a kind. Apart from them, all vehicles are supposed to comply with all this. Now, chisua, what the use of the road requirement. in the interest of road safety, Ghana will drive on the right. In team must say, work of our 4x4, work of our private car, Ube Busa, and we any day. And I remember said, make a tea, Naya City, now one quiet amana doubt. Oh, my late me call parliament. And today, why late to call parliament in today? Why late me call a meeting? Oh, me a consultant, Ministry of Energy, and today. Oh, me a minister of this, and today. If you are a minister or you are MP and you think you are late, consult Inspector General of Police through Director General Motor Traffic and Transport Department. DCOP Mr. Wuntobe Ewuni. That's what consider my visa. If you come under the protocol, otherwise, keep to your right and drive. Shut your hazards. The simultaneous flashing of the indicator light. Shut it. We don't want to see it. Keep to the roadway. The law says that if you are permitted, like police, military, fire, recognized government institutions, security agencies, like the vehicle used by president for his official duty, any near manual, any or mine no sarin. Now they are boom. Near amount beacon light. Now they are CISO. Now say a bus who pursue a duty on behalf of the state. Then you trigger it to warn vehicles that are ahead of you, an oncoming vehicle. And in such instances, Ubetima the driver on the left. Okay. Now Udu signalized junction traffic light so Ubetimi are overrule red and amber cautiously. And na say we no more boy as a beacon light any siren no yejuma emra say ye ti manu mo ye twika okwanso ana yenam ye nko right ni emiem no mesenko because they are delivering essential public service in our interest be an proceed. Your friend say obi tu obi mona obi bo obi krono obi di tu asi obi so ana fire eja bi hye ana say ambulance obi wakono ebi say owo na ayeden e wo say wo mkofa no free fie ko nyankopon adu say Ministry of Health yemo the Department of National Ambulance Service government is resourcing them over the years ama omanya a lot of vehicles any emergency medical technicians a bus unkwa ya firi nsemu a odoma komada no omo de car no hwi ba omo timi gi akra bebre awo omo awo so all these things are very important and I say prisons omo de nipa ni bi free gola ho eba court and things like that otherwise emra ma obi a ho kwan say ukofa wa car na ebia government na atama wo say nya government na atama wo say eye wa na do use zika koto you and it doesn't matter where you work. Apart from this agency, only one coin beer. If it's a BBC, you better prosecute you. And do to me, for no not down. So now me call a BB session. Now me call meeting. Now my late. Now traffic nachi. But do you know who I am? Who? Now me can you know who I am? Those who I am are these. I am to vehicle used by president for his official duty. But when you are confronted, you know who I am. Oh, who I am? The next say, oh, catch the court magistrate. And you do her. Now you sticker. Was me a MP, me a minister, me a government appointee, and I'm a juma, me engineer, and I'm a doctor, and I'm a qua, and I'm a now the actually, I don't know who I am. Now try who I am, you will live about coupe, and a Bible, or Duman Kuma, and where I am who I am. Now, dear, me know your mortars, you want to see this, and we are counsel. Na ajiwa nkasa unimuno na wafa bua payo kwanso yes ade in certain instance ajiwo kra nkwa aboja pade oba na menso so a mi wo kwa ho ya dwuma mi twa kwa mu akwa dwuma mi tika mu amekwa mi di wani muka no me so abo be kra ho ban. This is the rule of engagement. LI 2180 road traffic regulation 2012 yadi ya dwuma okọ regulation 74 any 106 echire
okay,
all these things
now you mean there any DSP na be ntia o hanim say answer dan ankasa do Good Friday, ne Saturday and Sunday 3 days we critical o hwe yakwanso map na but na men charge now per this nkuntebu odi aba no Ghana for pedestrians, car owners, police service, all stakeholders obi aka ho it means say boy ho modern na esotia ana
me yakon na ho yenyere ho
enti adesede ne say yemiemu na yemaso nhwan kra na Ghana emeka enimra so ni hihye so this one is the CP ya je say countdown na mu ne wo no enti bobo modia na onai enti ewa hanu si bia no
otwe ba minwa.
All right, okay. So you see, that down for diabetes as in the mixture for Dr. Asnod on 02078721555 and 0246493230. JFax Father Roma Adam J. Ediago Kesee Ebro.